But it has nothing to do with any external behavior on the part of a man. You can go to church every day of your life. You can go to church, give to the poor, and do all the things on the outside. That has nothing to do with the moment of eruption. You could this night be coming from a bar and be drinking until you can't even see clearly. And that night may be the night that he who doesn't judge your human behavior erupts within you. Because in the end, all things are forgiven. The last cry on the cross, Father, forgive them. They know not what they do. But man is taught to believe, I must conform to what man believes is the right thing. And so unless I do that, then I'm punished. They think of a God who punishes. They can't believe Scripture, that God is infinitely merciful. I mean, infinite mercy, not just a little bit of love. You stand in His presence, the risen Lord, and it's infinite love. And yet you know when you are drawn into His presence by a power that you could not resist, that you are capable of the unnumbered unlovely things that man is. And you know that you've done them. And you still feel you could continue to do them. And yet in His presence, you ask one simple little question, that is, He asks it of you. You answer as though you were divinely prompted. He embraces you. And you fuse with the body of the risen Lord and become one body. From then on, you are that body. And those whose eyes are open spiritually, when they meet you and see you as that being. I have had that experience a number of times from those whose eyes spiritually are open. On this level, yes, a little man, weak man, capable of all the silly little things that men are capable of. Yet, when the body sleeps, and he who is awake within me awakes, they see that man. And that's the man that I will, when this body drops for the last time, will be the immortal being. For that being has been awakened within me.